name is Jerry. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a pufferfish from my book Finn's First Song, A Whaley Big Adventure. Now here on the cover there are two pufferfish. If we look inside, there on the end papers there's one there. And let's see. Loads of pufferfish! So this is going to be fun. Let's get going. Now it's very simple. Round circles, that's all that we need to do, and triangles. So to make circles, it's really handy sometimes to use something from the kitchen, maybe a jam jar. This is a spice jar. You can ask a grown-up if there's something you can use, and then we can just draw around the lid to get our circle. I'm using a brown color pencil just to match the colors in the book, and keeping your pencil or marker really close to that lid, you get a nice even circle. Yes! Now we're going to have a second pufferfish down here, and I thought maybe a little bit of a smaller circle because it's like a baby pufferfish. So this is another lid. This is the lid from orange juice, I think, and we'll put that about there. And again, draw close as you can around the edge of the lid, and we will have two circles. Okay, so we'll go back to this one. Now the first thing we're going to do is put in his eyes. I'm going to change to a black color just for the eyes and the mouth. So put in two circles, small, one there and another one here, and he's looking down at the other pufferfish. Okay, and next we'll put in a mouth. So the mouth will be another curvy shape, but not a circle, like this. It's a bit like an oval, no, not quite an oval, so it's pufferfish mouth shape. And give him a little smile as well. Okay, now let's change back to the brown color again. I'm going to put in his fins. So one fin will be over here, another fin will be over here. This is really easy to do. We'll do an angle, a line at an angle coming out about that far, and then we'll do another line at an angle going the other way about that far, and then simply join them together with a wavy line like that. Then we can put in those three little dashes there. Let's do the other fin. So around here at an angle, you know what to do, another line at an angle, and then join them with a wavy line and put in three little lines. Now he's got two fins. Okay, now let's just have a look again at our pufferfish. He has spikes, yes, and this is fun to do. So pufferfish, as well as getting big, now they're not always round like this. This is the shape they make if they feel threatened or if they're angry, if they want to scare off other fish. So they make themselves big and round, but they also have spikes. Put in a triangle shape, a skinny tall triangle for each spike. And this is making them really difficult to eat. Other fish might want to eat them, and they might look a bit scary as well. I'm a spiky pufferfish, stay away from me. That could be a song, but I do not know any more words. And there, quickly, I've done a few spikes all around our circle. Now we can have more on his body. This would be like his belly, I suppose. More, just two lines each time. Spike, pointed triangle. Well, no, full triangle. And then another one here. And put more in closer. They could get a little bit smaller as we go. Another one up here. Where else? I think that's enough. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of color using, these are chalk pastels. So you could use chalk or you could use paint or anything that you like. So chalk pastels allow me to make a very quick way to get the color down, nice kind of smooth. Yeah, because they have a pale color underneath, and that was quick. That's fine. And then I'm going to show you that they have a few spots. Oh, a darker color for the spots. Spots around the top, their upper body. Okay. So this is one pufferfish. Let's quickly move on to the other one. Maybe it's his little sister. So she again will have two round eyes. One there and here. Okay, and she's looking up. Is that her bigger brother? I think so, yeah. And she'll have a mouth. Now we can open up her mouth maybe for a change. For fun. That roundy shape. Like this. And then to show that it's open, just put the same shape inside a little bit. And we can show her tooth. Pufferfish have quite a big tooth. I think it's even called a beak. Yeah, so something like that. Now her fins. At an angle again, at an angle again. I'll do this quite quickly because you remember how to do it before. Put into 3 lines. At an angle again. At an angle again. Join them together with a wavy line. And then the fun bit. Spikes. All the way around. As well as being scary for other fish, they're also poisonous. So other fish really get a fright if they try and catch them, and then if they do manage to bite a pufferfish, they're not going to like it at all. And they're definitely poisonous to people as well. Okay, so we can just add a little bit of color very quickly. And she is also finished. Oh, except for one thing. She could do a few spots as well. Now they live in the seafloor, close to all the weeds and so on. That would be like seagrass and kelp that would be there, helping them to hide, and they might find their own food around there. We can show the seafloor with a blue line like this. Just put in a few little pebbles and stones, some sand, and we can put in a little fish. So if you'd like to share your drawing, you can ask a grown-up to use the hashtag Finn's First Song. Hashtag Finn's First Song. Okay, well done. Happy drawing. Bye.